smelly friends. I mean, maybe that's not real nice to say, but if you love Scentsy products, then you love things to smell good. So, smelly friends it is. Hey there, guys. My name is Jamie Jo, and I am a Scentsy consultant. I have been for over 15 years now. So I've seen a lot of new products. I've seen Scentsy release a lot of products because when I started, I think they only had like 4 products in the entire catalog, and it has really grown. But very soon, on March 1st, we are going to be adding yet another new product to the Scentsy fragrance line. But I want to tell you how you can get your hands on it now and at a fabulous, amazing deal. First, let's talk about the brand new product, and then let's talk about how you can get it early and for a great deal. This is our brand new product. This is called Scentsy Swipes. So I'm betting you can probably figure out what it is from the container, from the name, but let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got here. So when we open up the top, we find wet wipes. Now, these are not just any wet wipes. These are amazing, amazing Scentsy fragrance, amazing Scentsy cleanability. If you have not used our Scentsy Counter Clean, that is something that you absolutely need to try on top of these Scentsy Swipes. And actually, when I talk about how you can get your Scentsy Swipes, you would get a Counter Clean as well. Let's look at the swipes first of all. I love how nice and thick they are. I have used them already in my kitchen a couple times. I've used them in my bathroom, on the countertop too. They do have a nice, I was gonna say texture to them. I don't know if that's the exact word, but they are not like super flimsy at all. They're a good quality wipe. They're even a great size. I love how it covers my whole hand and I can just do one nice swipe with that. I was surprised when I used it in my kitchen how amazing it was. Now let's talk about the exact details of these Scentsy Swipes. Like I said, they will be coming out on March 1st. That is when they are first available. For right now, we only have them in one fragrance, and that is Squeeze the Day. But I think they picked a perfect fragrance to launch this product with because Squeeze the Day is just a good, fresh, clean lemon scent. And most people love a good citrus or lemon scent in their kitchen. It's great for the bathroom as well. So I love the fragrance that they chose. So for right now, it's just in this one fragrance. These are priced at a retail price of $13 in the US. You get 70 wipes in a container. So I'm a math girl, and it figured out to be just over 18 cents a wipe. I think that is a really great deal. Now, I will tell you, I have never used any of the wipe products before that have been on the market. I think maybe I bought some during, what are we calling it now? Lockdown, safe at home, whatever that was back in 2020. I did buy some then, but it's just because I couldn't find the squirt Clorox or whatever it was I was looking for. So I'm not like a connoisseur. Is that the right word? Does that mean you eat it? I don't eat these. I'm not a user on the regular of wet wipes, but this might have converted me. I might start using them on the regular. Now let's talk about how you can get these early and get them for a really, really great deal. We are including Scentsy Swipes in the starter kit for the month of February. Now, it was already a bonus kit month. What do I mean by that? Here's the deal, friends. We are in the very last month of the fall and winter catalog season here in February. And actually, most of the catalog is 10% off on the website. So we don't want you to join here with us at Scentsy and then have to turn around next month and buy a bunch of new stuff. So not only do you get the fall and winter starter kit, which has over $95 worth of product in it, you also get the brand new spring and summer scent testers, and the brand new spring and summer catalogs. Now, let me tell you all of the products that come in the starter kit. And I should have got them in front of me, so excuse me for turning around multiple times. Just hang out with me. I promise it'll be worth it. The first thing that you are going to get, I should have moved the camera down too, but you guys love me just for who I am, right? Nobody said this was a professional production. You get a warmer. Of course you get a warmer. It's Scentsy. You have to have a warmer, and you can't have a warmer without wax. So you are going to get our top 2 fragrances of wax, Black Raspberry Vanilla. And did you guys know that Luna just moved up to the top selling fragrance? It's always been Black Raspberry Vanilla as long as I've been in Scentsy fragrance. But this year, Luna kicked it out of its spot, and Luna is our brand new top selling fragrance. So you get a warmer. You get the 2 bars. You get, oh, some of my stuff isn't even here, so I'm going to have to look at my list. You get the Slate Mini Fan Diffuser. That's this bad boy. I love these in my car, but they're great for anywhere where you have a small space, USB plug-in. You can use it if you work remotely, take it on the go. If you have a fan diffuser, of course, you need some Scentsy pods. That is the fragrance, what's the word I'm looking for? That's how this thing smells good. Fragrance delivery system? No, that's what the fan would be. I'm a mess today, guys. This is a Scentsy pod. It's a little plastic cage filled with fragrance beads. You put that on top of the fan diffuser, and it makes it smell so good. You also get, oh, yes. We were talking about counter clean earlier. You're going to get a counter clean in Vanilla Mint, another great fragrance for a cleaning product. It's mint, but vanilla, hence the name Vanilla Mint. It smells good, but it's fresh and clean. I really like it. Then you also get an Amazon Rain car bar. By the name of it, you can tell where we suggest using it, hanging freely in your car. And then you get a travel twist. I thought I had one right here. Boop, boop. There it is. Travel twist. This is a travel twist. You just give it a little twist open. There is a fabric product in the inside soaked in fragrance oil. You can open it as little or as much as you want, depending on how much fragrance you want. Those are all the products that you get, plus those swipes. So I just showed you $95 worth of products, plus the swipes. Those are valued at $13. So you're getting $108 worth of product, plus all kinds of business supplies. The grand total of the value of the starter kit is $285.50. But you get it for just $99 when you jump on board with Scentsy Fragrance. That is the full-size kit. Now, if you would love to get started with Scentsy Fragrance, but that $99, even though it's an amazing deal, that $99 is like, I don't know how I can do it. We can work together, you and we can open you an affiliate link on my website. How that works. An affiliate link is simply a website link where the orders are tracked. And so I would be able to track all the orders that you get from your friends and family. At the end of that affiliate link, we could use your hostess rewards from the work that you did, sharing the link. We can use the hostess rewards towards the starter kit. When you get $500 in orders, you're going to get a starter kit for absolutely free, plus a little extra credit to use, plus some half-price items, and you're going to get a hostess starter kit. Now, I will tell you it's not the same starter kit. It's a more condensed kit. It is retail for $59, but like I said, we can get it for as low as $0 out of pocket if you use your hostess rewards. Now, downside to that is you're not going to get the Scentsy Swipes. They only come in the full $99 kit. If you can, I highly suggest you work to do whatever you can to get that $99 plus tax and shipping to get the full kit. The full kit is the way to go. I promise you that. Guys, I would love to mentor you on your Scentsy journey. I have mentored hundreds and hundreds of different Scentsy consultants throughout the years, and I wish you would be the next one that I work with. You can get started by going to JamiJoSellsWax.com and clicking the join button at the top. If you need to talk to me about that affiliate link to earn your kit for $0 out of pocket, give me a shout. Give me a text, 918-888-9690. If you have any questions related to Scentsy at all, feel free to put them in the comments here on this video or reach out to me on Facebook or Instagram. Both of those are Jami Jo Sells Wax. Guys, I have had so much fun talking to you guys today. Let me know if I can help you with any smelly goody stuff in the future. Guys, my name is Jami Jo, and I hope that you have a sensational day.